Hello all, I'm Nazma Sultana. Our project title is Crop Yield Prediction using Machine Learning. We have did this project under the guidance of Assistant Professor Saujanya Adu ma'am. And my teammates are Mekala Lohita, Mekala Samhita and Sriram Srujana. The abstract of our project is most agricultural crops have been badly affected by the effect of global climate change in India in terms of their output over the past 20 years. This project will allow policymakers and farmers to take effective marketing and storage steps to predict crop yields earlier in the harvest. This project will allow experts to capture the yield of crops before cultivation in the field of agriculture and thus help them make the necessary decisions and inform farmers. Like in this project, we have mainly used algorithms like KNN, decision tree, random forest, and voting classifier. The prediction made by machine learning algorithms will help the farmers decide which crop to grow to induce the most yield by considering factors like temperature, rainfall, humidity, pH. Our project mainly bridges the gap between technology and the agriculture sector. And the existing system of our project is like in ancient times, agriculture was a major resource to fulfill the human daily needs to survive and is also considered a major occupation by farmers. So the farmers should be following the conventional methods to get healthy crop yield and they used to keep their agriculture fields and healthy diversity without mixing of chemicals. But due to changes in climate conditions, food security is rapidly decreasing day by day. So, this one should be considered a major challenge or issue in determining the new technology for precision farming. So, the recent automated detection or prediction technologies such as machine learning are one of the best solutions for crop prediction based on collecting the soil and weather parameters. And the proposed system of our project mainly focuses on machine learning, which plays a vital role in every field. So, in agriculture, using machine learning algorithms, we can improve the efficiency of crop prediction for increasing the crop yield. In machine learning technology, the classification of the model is trained with the preceding dataset by feeding them and tested with same sample inputs to calculate the prediction of accuracy. In this system, we are collecting the proper dataset to feed them with several machine learning classifiers such as KNN, DT, and RF algorithms. These classifiers are used in many previous systems to predict the name of crop and crop yield. So, to improve the prediction accuracy, we are implementing the ensemble voting classifier. Finally, this system performed comparisons between several ML classifiers to obtain the best model for crop yield prediction. Like coming to methodology of our project crop yield prediction, first of all KNN, K nearest neighbor classifier is supervised machine learning algorithm. It is mostly used for classification problems. The process of KNN is training the model with independent and dependent variables with the number of K nearest neighbors. And the test samples are used to predict the results based on Euclidean distances which return similar results. In the KNN, to obtain the best accuracy, the K value should be assigned with the highest odd value. In Python, which belongs to the KNN algorithm, we used kneighbors classifier module and which is imported from sklearn neighbors package. And the decision tree is one of the supervised machine learning algorithm that allow if-then policies with tree structure. The root node represents the attributes or features and the decision rule will be represented by branches. Finally, the child or leaf node represents the result or outcome. And random forest classifier is majorly used to resolve the classification problems that belong to the supervised ML algorithm. Here the RF classifier will generate a group of decision trees with the help of a subset of the chosen training set. In the random forest, the prediction results will be generated based on highest votes of different decision trees. And finally, we used to increase the accuracy of the prediction. We used an ensembling algorithm which is called voting classifier. Like the voting classifier is ensemble machine learning algorithm. It is also called as hybrid classifier, which will create the voting classifier object holding the multiple models and it returns a predicted result based on highest majority of voting. The classifier will support two types of voting such as hard voting and soft voting. In the hard voting, it will collect the outputs of all models and determine the class which is the highest majority of votes. In this project, we implemented hard voting, but in soft voting, the average of highest class is the final prediction class. Coming to module description of our project, the administrator will perform the data pre-processing process for cleaning the dataset and extracting the features. The admin will calculate the accuracy of all machine learning algorithms and generate the table format with all algorithm performance metrics. Based on the all ML analysis, the voting classifier has given the best accuracy results, so that the user will enter the current crop field details and weather details such as temperature, humidity, pH and rainfall. Then this system will return the prediction results like crop name and crop yield. We have two modules in our project, namely admin module, where he used to log in with credentials and has to perform data pre-processing, module evaluations, performance evaluation, and logout. Mm, and another module is the user module, where the user has to register with credentials. After login, then the user can enter the input fields like temperature, humidity, rainfall, pH. Then after that, the name of the crop along with the crop yield is predicted. And this is the complete architecture of our project. Like first of all, the admin has to log in, perform data pre-processing, module evaluations, and he has to perform the performance evaluations on the algorithms like decision tree, random forest, kernel and voting classifier. And coming to user, has to log in with input fields, and the prediction of crop name and crop yield is done. Coming to coding part of our project, this is the coding part. Like we used mainly Python for developing this application. From Flask, we imported the uh, response import CSV, and uh, we used matplotlib for plotting the accuracy of all algorithms. And from sklearn, we imported all the algorithms like voting classifier, decision tree, knn, all this. uh, Matplotlib, which we use to plot the graphs of the accuracy, precision, and that all. Like this is the coding part of our project. Like this is all the coding part of our project. When we have to see the output, we used to click run index. Like after clicking that, this page will open. It consists of uh, three it consists of two modules, admin and user, where admin has to log in with credentials and a user has to log in with the credentials. If new user has to register here with the details like name, username, email and mobile number. For example, if I'm entering with new user name, namely ABC, and we can give some username and password, something email ID and mobile number. After registration, we can log to get the crop yield prediction. We have to log in. Like this is the output of our output screen of our project, which consists of two modules, admin and user, where the admin has to log in with credentials, and for the user, if for the new user, he has to register here with the details like name, username, password and email and phone number. For example, if I'm registering with new user name and username, password, email ID, something, mobile number, We have to use that here. Like it shows like Velke measure to get the crop yield prediction. Then we have to enter the values like temperature, humidity, pH value, pH value, rainfall prediction. Like this, the crop name and the area, production and crop yield is predicted. That's it. Thank you.